your weather report on Wednesday. Chris, what do you have to say about the weather?
It is very windy, and I think there's someone behind me. Anyways, yeah, I've been flung like literally everywhere by now, and I am so wet.
You heard it from himself, my pals. It is very windy outside, and we advise you not to go outside because it's raining really hard. That's it for Pleasanton weather news. Chris and Joshi for our outside report.
Okay.
What do you guys think of the weather outside right now?
It's like so wet. I feel like I'm gonna slip and break my bones.
You really are?
Put me in the video.
Oh, what's up? What's
It's
up,
the
my
gang.
dude? What's up, gang?
It's rain and tacos.